In today's video, we'll be going over how to make reaction roles on Discord. So, for the first step, what you want to do is, once you've reached your Discord app, and then you're in the server that you want to adjust, you want to head over to the top left, click down so that you can access the server settings, and then you want to go over to the roles. Here, you want to create a new role, and you can create as many roles as you want, but we're just going to make one for now. And then after you've adjusted the colors and the permissions of the role, just click Save Changes. Then you want to head over to App Directory, where we're going to search for the Caro bot. You then want to click Add App to your server, give it all the permissions that you want, and then click Authorize. You then want to head back to your Roles tab and make sure that the Caro bot is at the top of the role list. This is very important for priority of the bot. Make sure you click Save Changes as well. The next thing you want to do is you want to head over to any channel that you have. I'm just going to create a new one for the sake of the video. But once you've created a new channel, you want to go ahead and type in reaction role space make, and then you can choose the channel that you want it to be in. I'm just going to put it for the one I've created, then click enter. We're then going to need to create a title. So what you want to do is double click this, right click it, and then click copy. And then you want to paste that here. And you just want to erase the front part and name it whatever you like. I'm just going to name it example. And then press send. So after you gave that in, you're going to have to select a color. So what you want to do is you want to click on this link that's going to take you to the color selection page. Just pick whatever color you like. Then make sure to copy the hex right there, go back to Discord, and then paste in the copy color. You want to give it a name and an emoji, and after entering it, he will give you a little check mark signifying that it went through good. And after you've done that, just type in done, and then you'll see that one reaction role has been created. So if this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like these.